In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Squirtle from Pokémon in an easy and quick way, step by step, and show you how to color the drawing, so stay until the end and come with me. Let's start by drawing a circle for the head. And a shape for the body. Next comes the arm. And the little hand. Now the other arm. Let's draw an eye. The pupil. Then the other eye. The eyebrows. The nose. Now the mouth. And we can draw the paw. The fingers. The other paw. And we draw the tail. Next comes the shell. And now just color it in. And don't forget, you can request a drawing right here in the comments. Your likes and subscriptions go a long way in helping the channel grow, and they inspire me to keep creating even more videos for you. Thank you so much for your amazing support. That's it for now. Catch you in the next video.